The world has ended. It's been a year since we lost the war with demons. Most of the humans has been slaughtered. As the last survivor of the resistance army, I went on fighting alone, until this very moment.
Zephyr.
Doldone, the Lord of Demons.
You look pained. Let me help with that. I gave you a little longer to live, so that we can have a little conversation. You are the first human who has been able to bother me this much in such a long time. Your persistence has been extraordinary. While many believe that fighting an unwinnable fight is a foolish thing to do, those who give up after being scared of their opponent's power are not wise. They are just weak. I can't stand weak, feeble opponents. I am sure you understand. That's why I will give you an offer. Come and join me.
Is that the truth? Are you really accepting me?
Of course.
Huh. It's not a bad offer. Nonsense.